So once again, we have our crew here from ACC doing installs of anything you buy here at the show, as well as special show pricing. Currently running dealer promos here on all the ACC stuff. We have our GM armrests still in stock. These are now discontinued from GM. Have them on show markdown. These are brand new, hot off the presses. Currently, we're the only manufacturer running these. These are brand new C3 seat tracks and frames available only from Corvette America or your local Corvette America dealer. These will be out for production. I'm thinking we're going to be starting to ship these in about another month. Meanwhile, we got the pros over here at ACC doing their thing. As we said earlier, anything you buy from us here at the show will be installed by the ACC staff. ACC American Car Craft. Also late model wheels still going on. Onyx cover sale as well. So definitely come on over, check us out here, GC 29 and 30. Show is on today until about 5 o'clock, I believe, is the closing bell for the show this weekend. And again, so far, so good on the rain. Nice and dry. So if you're in downtown Indianapolis, I know you guys are getting soaked. We're sorry about that, but we are dry up here. And based on the wind, we'll be dry here for a while longer. So take advantage of it. Come on out.